Hello, I am Paolo Cani, head of the AMA Instruments division of AMA Group. AMA has been a leading company in its sector for over 50 years. It develops, produces, and sells components for off-highway vehicles. In 2008, AMA decided to develop electronic components for the off-highway industry and therefore decided to forge a partnership with an electronics company leading in its sector that would subsequently be incorporated into the group. We immediately began to reap the first rewards. AMA invests heavily in people and in training aiming to enhance the skills of its collaborators. The first concrete goal of AMA Instruments is to develop its own product portfolio, from analog instrumentation, widely used since the 1950s, to the most advanced color TFT instrumentation. AMA Instruments now has an extensive product portfolio, which means we can offer customers solutions and components that are in line with their expectations. AMA invests heavily in training, especially in technicians and engineers, and this allows us to identify the best solutions for our customers. AMA Instruments can today provide a complete package in terms of man-machine interface, and mainly involves components that connect man with machine. Among the products developed in recent years, the ones that have given us the most satisfaction are the KeyCan, a CAN bus keyboard which communicates with the engine control unit, and the color TFT displays, which are used to view the engine parameters as well as the parameters of the entire machine. AMA Instruments is one step ahead of the market, always looking to the future with impatience, proposing new ideas for its customers. Electronics is my passion. At 7 years old, I already knew what I wanted to do when I grew up. I wanted to work for an electronics company. Through AMA Instruments, I was able to make my dream come true. Starting work at AMA was admittedly a little traumatic for me. Before that, I had worked for a small company, and joining the big AMA group was a huge challenge for me. After a few months, though, I felt the true sense of belonging to AMA. AMA gives its collaborators complete freedom to introduce ideas and innovation. One example of this was when Alessandro Malavolti asked me to introduce innovation to AMA. I thought about it for 2 seconds and came up with the idea box, and it was a success. It seemed like a game at first, but we actually filed 10 patents in 5 years. Innovative solutions, flexibility, and responsiveness are the reasons for choosing AMA Instruments.